How to find Facebook Pay on your Facebook application. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to find payment on your Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook. And now go to your setting by click on those three lines up there. And now click on the setting icon beside the search icon. Click on payment, which is the third option. And here you have the first option, which is Facebook Pay. Manage your payment settings. See your payment history and access live chat support. Click on it. And this is it. Watch for a second. And this is your activity. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. And if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.